Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the engine air filter is located under the front hood, just under this cover, and it's quite easy to replace. You don't need any special tools or anything. Now the first thing to do will be to unclip these two clips on this side, so this one, and then you will push this cover, lift it up and push towards the firewall, because you'll still have a couple of tabs holding it here in place. Okay, so unclip these two just like that, and you'll see now it's loose. Now you just want to lift it and pull it. Okay, and here is the air filter, and now just remove it. Right, I'm working with one hand, but that's what you have to do. This one was not replaced in a while and I will replace. Now one more tip before replacing it: make sure to clean inside of the air box of this dust, debris and things like that. If for some reason you can't access the filter, then you will have to completely remove the cover. You can do that by unscrewing this flat screw right here and then sliding the cover off of these holes, right? And you can also remove the MAP sensor if it's on your way, but honestly you shouldn't do any of that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.